Dear viewers, hope you are well and you are enjoying very much my lesson. Today I will discuss with you another important lesson. Today's lesson, bureaucracy. What is bureaucracy and view of Max Weber about bureaucracy? Generally speaking, that bureaucracy is an administrative, government or social system with a hierarchical structure and complex rules and regulations. A particular system of administration. Historically, it is associated with the role of government and governmental officials, but sociologists regard it is a form of administration that is found in organizations pursuing a wide variety of goals. As a technical term in sociology, bureaucracy is associated with Weber. He gave it a specific definition and suggested that it was the best administrative form for the rational or efficient pursuit of organizational goals. View of Weber about bureaucracy. From a purely technical point of view, bureaucracy is capable of attaining the highest degree of efficiency and is in this sense formerly the most rational known means of exercising authority over human beings. It is superior to any other form of persuasion in stability, in the stringency of its discipline and its reliability. It thus makes possible particularly high degree of calculability of results for the heads of the organization and for those acting in relation to it is finally superior both in intensive efficiency and in the scope of its operations, and is formally capable of application to all kinds of administrative tasks. Reserve 1992, page number 130. Jerry and Jerry, Dictionary of Sociology, a type of organization in which administration is based upon impersonal written rules and hierarchy of office. Schaeffer, 2003, page number 140. A bureaucracy is a component of formal organization that uses rules and hierarchical ranking to achieve efficiency. Finally, it can be said that bureaucracy is a specific administrative system that has a written set of rules and is administered by high-ranking government officials. Dear viewers, you will be benefited from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.